Delete Google account permanently. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to delete Gmail account permanently. Now open up your Gmail. After you open Gmail app, tap on this profile. After you open profile, now scroll to down and tap on this manage account on this device. Here you can be able to see all your Gmail account. So now go and select the one that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this Google account, this one. After you select the one, tap on this Google account again. So now it will search all your Google account information. So in this section, tap on this data and privacy. So in this section now, scroll all the way to down bottom. If you scroll to down, tap on this delete your Google account. So now allow it to finish loading. Now you can tap on this continue button. So now use your hand to verify your phone security. So in this section here, it says delete your Google account. You can tap on this section to download your data, like your emails, or you can be able to download them if you tap on this section. If you scroll all the way to down, you can check on these two options. After you finish checking, if I tap on this delete now account button, now it will delete my Google account permanently. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.